Spring and autumn are such lovely times for walking holidays in Europe, when the weather's pretty stable but not too hot and there's hardly anyone else around. I've joined a Travel Editions walking tour in Western Crete, where the spring flowers are at their peak. These are fully guided small group tours with no more than 20 participants. The walks are at a steady pace with plenty of time to stop, enjoy the flowers and the wonderful views. Travel Editions Greece Operations Manager Jane Freeman told me more.
We have beautiful flat walks along the coast. We've got archaeological sites, you can walk around those. There's some really nice, pretty little gorges, which are not too long, 5-6 kilometres, which will start at the top, bring you down to nice villages.
We've obviously done some of the walks, but generally what sort of distances are people covering?
We'd probably look between 6 and 9 kilometres. We might start quite low, 6-7 kilometres on a day, and then maybe we'll reach a peak of a 12-kilometre walk, and in between probably around 8-9 kilometres. It's not over challenging, but obviously it depends how much walking you do before you come away. We don't tend to do too many steep ascents, but we might have 1 or 2 involved. Mostly it'll be sort of undulating hills, nothing too high in the mountains.
With a reasonable level of fitness, pretty much anyone could do this.
Definitely, yeah, definitely.
This tour is based in the small coastal town of Kissamos, less touristy than other resorts along the north coast and a convenient base to minimise driving distance to the start of the walks. Travel Editions use several hotels in this area. We stayed at the 3-star Galini Beach, run by Manolis and his family. The Venetian harbour town of Hania, further along the coast, is 45 minutes away. Well, the tour does include a half-day visit to Hania and a walk around the port and some of the museums and the rest of the town. But there is a lot to see, so you can also come back in your free time, and I would recommend that. It is really gorgeous. There's a good balance of walking and free time on this tour. The walks were all in the morning, usually for 3 or 4 hours, followed by a relaxed lunch in a variety of local tavernas. The quality of food we enjoyed both at lunchtimes and dinner was much appreciated.
The lunches were extremely good, lots of fresh vegetables, really lovely to have it sort of rural.
I've enjoyed the food very much indeed. It's some of the best food I've ever had in Greece, and everything seems to be locally grown and just tastes. A tomato tastes like a tomato ought to taste.
Our final walk was down through the spectacular Sirikari Gorge. And en route, some of the group gave me their thoughts on the week.
Absolutely fabulous. Very varied, every day, very different, and superb guides.
I think it's been very good because we've gone from rocky terrain to flat paths, into villages and up into the hills again. Absolutely marvellous. And the views are wonderful. Vegetation is absolutely great. And the flowers are like nature's garden.